Ultimate Pore Detox Extreme Blackhead Extraction, Deep Cleaning Results. Today we are performing an ultimate pore detox treatment combined with extreme blackhead extraction. Over time, pores can become clogged with oil, dirt, and dead skin cells. This buildup can affect the skin's appearance and lead to blackheads. This treatment focuses on deeply cleaning the pores and restoring smooth, healthy skin. What is Pore Detox? Pore Detox is a skincare treatment designed to remove impurities trapped deep inside the pores. When pores are clogged, they can lead to blackheads and uneven skin texture. Detox treatments help clear these blockages and improve the overall condition of the skin. Deep cleansing preparation. The treatment begins with cleansing the skin. This step removes surface impurities and prepares the skin for deeper cleaning. Steam is then applied to open the pores. This makes extraction easier and more effective. Extreme blackhead extraction. Using professional tools, stubborn blackheads are carefully removed from the pores. Some extractions may be more intense due to deep clogs. However, when performed correctly, this process can significantly improve skin clarity. Skin recovery. After extraction, soothing and hydrating products are applied. These help calm the skin and restore moisture. Proper aftercare is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Final results. At the end of the treatment, the pores appear cleaner and the skin looks smoother. Deep pore detox is an effective way to maintain clear skin and prevent future blackheads.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.